He ain't that smart, but he's all right in that department.
Hey, baby, what's happening?
You got some people waiting up front?
I ain't need no people out front.
I think you do.
Lord have mercy. Here's how it is, man. We're the police. We come in here, we ask questions, we canvass areas. We politely do our job, you know. Now, I got some questions about Jessica Trimble. Either I'm gonna arrest you and take you downtown, or you're gonna talk to me now. Yes, you wanna talk to my fist.
Leon, stay down.
My man, Leon. You ready to answer my questions yet? Now, let me ask you something. Now, when the last time you saw the girl? I'm gonna ask you one more time. When the last time you saw the girl?
Days ago.
Good. Now I believe your ugly ass. I'm gonna question you downtown.
You knocked my teeth out, man. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, I'll tell you what, the uniform's on the way. You kill them first, and then you come kill me, all right? Come with me, I need to take your statement.
You're one tough cop, honey.
Call the medic. Another man down here.